What's up, you guys? We are back with Andrew's Chevy 3100, and as you can see, we have a lot done to it so far. So Andrew did a really good job getting all this to this point. All right, so Andrew, tell me what we have going on here.
We got this triangulated 4-link kit from Speedway. We're in the process of step notching it. So originally the idea was we were gonna do a C notch, but I didn't want to remove parts of the frame and lose its strength integrity. So I felt a step notch would have been a lot better. So I took some time, I designed the step notch. We had it all aligned to where it needs to be. We're gonna weld around here, cut in the middle, box it all in, focus on putting these airbag mounts onto this cross member right here. I already have the lower airbag mounts over here. I welded those myself. We're gonna probably have to do some trimming with this, but other than that, it should be a pretty easy and simple process.
And here's his Instagram right here. A lot of the work that's been done is on there, so go check it out. So now he's gonna start welding all this together. All right, Andrew got this fully welded in. Now we're gonna go ahead and give us some room, move the axle lower so we can cut the old frame out.
Two hours later.
We have finally finished installing this 4-link. This kit was originally a bolt-on kit, but we had issues lining it up. It could have been that we may have drilled the holes in the wrong spots, because when we would tie everything up together, that the axle would shift to one side. So we just removed the bolts on each end, adjusted these brackets to where the axle could move to where we want it to be. Everything lined up, so we welded those in. Like my brother said, this kit is from Speedway, and this axle housing is also from Speedway. And the brackets he designed himself, and had a CNC cut those to shape, and it came out looking really good and it works very well. This thing is so close to becoming a roller. All we need to do is get a brake kit for this axle, install the third member along with the axle halves, and this thing should move under its own weight. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. In the next video, we're gonna be finishing this with the brakes. That video is gonna be mainly focused on the front and the rear brakes along with some brake lines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.